Hi everyone, my name is Kennedy from Our Friendly World, and today I'll be showing you two different ways to do a slip knot. This is a common way to start your crochet projects, so it's a great thing to learn because you'll use it a lot once you get started. The first way I'm going to show you today is the way I typically do it. I've gotten in a pretty good habit of being able to do this fairly quick, so I'll go ahead and show that to you, and then I'll show you a second way in case this way isn't making very much sense. You'll lay out your yarn, and you want to leave quite a bit of a yarn tail at the end. So grab your yarn a few inches away from the end of the piece. Now, holding it where you grabbed it, flip your yarn over so that you made a ribbon or almost half of a figure eight here. Now you can see your shape you have here. You have a loop with one piece of yarn on top and one piece of yarn below. Reaching through the back of your loop, the piece of yarn that is underneath, grab that by folding it and just grabbing it somewhere in the middle. Now, holding all pieces, pull that loop through and tighten it up. Now you've made a slip knot. I'll show you how this works. Once you put it on your crochet hook, you can pull the yarn tail to tighten it up to the right size of whatever hook you're using, and then proceed with your chain or your foundation or however you're starting your project. Now I'll show you the second way. Using your finger and the end of your yarn leaving a tail, wrap the yarn around your finger so that it goes over your finger once and twice. Now, using the yarn that is still attached to the skein closer to your hand, bring that loop over the second loop. Now, bring the second loop over the furthest loop and pull it through all the way. Now you've made your slip knot. Again, you can loosen and tighten this to fit your hook however you need, and now you can start your projects. Thank you guys for watching.